Question number 126. Which of the following is necessary to work on a computer? A. Compiler. B. Assembly. C. Operating system. D. None. Correct answer is C. Operating system. Question number 127. Second-generation computers were developed during A. 1945 to 1955. B. 1959 to 1965. C. 1965 to 1970. D. 1970 to 1990. Correct answer is B. 1959 to 1965. Question number 128. Components of a computer that are tangible? A. Output. B. Hardware. C. Storage devices. D. Peripheral device. Correct answer is B. Hardware. Question number 129. Computer input device examples are A. Scanner. B. Keyboards. C. Pointing device. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 130. Which one is not an input device? A. Speaker. B. Keyboard. C. Scanner. D. Mouse. Correct answer is A. Speaker. Question number 131. CPU controls? A. All input, output and processing. B. Controlled by input data. C. Control memory. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. All input, output and processing. Question number 132. What is the full form of CPU? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Control Processing Unit. C. Control Principal Unit. D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. Central Processing Unit. Question number 133. The brain of any computer system is? A. ALU. B. CPU. C. Memory. D. Control unit. Correct answer is B. CPU. Question number 134. Which one of these stores more data than a DVD? A. Floppy. B. CD-ROM. C. Red-Ray disk. D. Blu-ray disc. Correct answer is D. Blu-ray disc. Question number 135. Identify the device through which data and instructions are entered into a computer. A. Memory. B. Software. C. Input device. D. Output device. Correct answer is C. Input device. Question number 136. Microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? A. Second generation. B. Fourth generation. C. Third generation. D. All. Correct answer is B. Fourth generation. Question number 137. Which electronic components are used in first-generation computer? A. Transistors. B. Vacuum tube. C. Integrated circuit. D. ULC microprocessor. Correct answer is B. Vacuum tube. Question number 138. Which one is the result of the output given by a computer? A. Data. B. Instruction. C. Information. D. Excursion. Correct answer is C. Information. Question number 139. Which one of these also known as read/write memory? A. Hard disk. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. DVD. Correct answer is C. RAM. Question number 140. Which of the following holds RAM, ROM, and CPU? A. ALU. B. Hard disk. C. Motherboard. D. None. Correct answer is C. Motherboard. Question number 141. The main memory of computer is also called as A. Hard disk. B. Primary memory. C. Secondary memory. D. External memory. Correct answer is B. Primary memory. Question number 142. The two kinds of main memory are A. CD and DVD. B. RAM and ROM. C. Primary and secondary. D. All. Correct answer is B. RAM and ROM. Question number 143. RAM is also called as A. Virtual memory. B. Volatile memory. C. Non-volatile memory. D. Cache memory. Correct answer is B. Volatile memory. Question number 144. ROM is also called as A. Virtual memory. B. Volatile memory. C. Non-volatile memory. D. Cache memory. Correct answer is C. Non-volatile memory. Question number 145. How much data can be stored in CD? A. 300 megabytes. B. 400 megabytes. C. 600 megabytes. D. 700 megabytes. Correct answer is D. 700 megabytes. Question number 146. CD-ROM is A. Memory register. B. Secondary memory. C. Semiconductor memory. D. None. Correct answer is B. Secondary memory. Question number 147. CD-ROM stands for A. Compact data read-only memory. B. Compactable data read-only memory. C. Compactable disk read-only memory. D. Compact disk read-only memory. Correct answer is D. Question number 148. Cache memory acts between A. CPU and RAM. B. RAM and ROM. C. CPU and hard disk. D. All. Correct answer is A. CPU and RAM. Question number 149. In how many generations a computer can be classified? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Correct answer is C. 5. Question number 150. What is the function of a scanner? A. To enter data to computer. B. Help to control a cursor. C. That converts hard copy, images etc. in digital form. D. None. Correct answer is C. Question of the day. Ctrl+A is used for A. To bold. B. To save. C. To select whole area. D. None. Please leave answer in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.